Hi everybody, my name's Tim, and I'm in Hannah, and why don't you come on in so I can show you around.
Okay, so tell us about the bus.
Well, the bus has basically remained the same since I got it from Howa. I tried to keep it true to the old owner's wishes and keep what he's done. I have changed a few things in the back of the bus, but basically the front of the bus is exactly as how I got it, except for the TV mounted up in the front. Other than that, I've got my bed over here. Underneath my bed, I have storage containers that fit perfectly. There's 6 of them under there, and unfortunately it's all tools. So, you know, I carry tools around. If I want to get my tools, I have to move all this stuff in order to get them out, but at least I got the storage.
I have the same problem.
And here is my cat with a toy hanging on his head. Her name is Higley, and she's been around for millions of miles out on the road. Back here, this is my clothes closet, battery bank, and my electrical power panel. This is eventually going to be doubled in size, the battery bank, so this stuff will be somewhere else once I get a trailer. Then this side I have a pantry. Everything in the pantry is organized so I can pull stuff out. It costs me a little bit of space to do this, but it sure does keep everything in order and everything from off the floor. These panels come out, so if you're somewhere for 2 weeks, you can get in really quick. As soon as you get ready to move, pop them back in. Simple as that. Got my freezer, which will go down to -6 degrees. This is what I changed from the original owner. The original owner, this kitchen counter stopped right here at the floor, and it was literally down to here, and I had to bend over just to get to the top of the surface.
You're a little taller than he was.
I was a lot tall. Oh, I don't know. Actually, I think he was about the same size, but I'm not sure what. Maybe he just put it in real quick or whatever. But I had Howa build me this lower unit with the drawers in it. I put the sink in. I have not wired up the sink yet. I have a main line that goes from the water tank below here, which is 50 gallons, into the shower, and it's the only thing it fills. Right, I gotta tie into it and get my sink rolling one of these days. And then the shower, which doubles as a litter box, has an EcoTemp instant on hot water system, which warms up in about 8 to 10 seconds.
Yeah.
Really good system. I have the exhaust pipe for the shower out here because it is propane powered. Can't really think of a better idea for it because that pipe cannot go straight up. And if I go straight out this way with the bus, I'm going through stainless steel, which is really hard to work with. So I'm just leaving it right there, and every time I take a shower, I turn on the fan.
Sure.
Simple as that. You know. What else can I show you? This is all just storage. Normally my barbecue grill goes right here and it's chained down. When it's outside, I put other stuff here just to get it out of the way. Everything in here is propane powered and by 20-pound tanks. You caught me in the morning, so I still have that tank out in the open to run my Wave 8 heater, which works great. I actually have to, on low, it gets too hot. I wake up in the middle of the night, turn it off, and then wake up in the morning a little cold. And fire it up for an hour, and then it's all good. But I imagine when I get into really cold weather, it's going to come in handy.
Right. Well, thank you.
No problem.
Nice bus.
It's an honor to show you this, Steve.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video of that great schoolie, and in the coming weeks there'll be more. So please, I will see you next Saturday for a tour of another schoolie. Steampunk Steve saying, see you on the road.